welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how I fixed the I've had these nails for I believe more than 3 weeks. This is the nails that I have on. This is already becoming like this one is already coming off. The right hand still feels good, but my left hand is almost coming off, as you can see. I used this one. So I took a picture of the day that I fixed these nails. I'm gonna show you, it's on my phone. I went to Target. I did not see the Impress nails that has the super hold adhesive, this red thing here. The one that I picked up does not have it. I don't know if it will last that long. This one I picked from my local Kroger. I went back to Kroger. Other designs they have in store doesn't have these super adhesive logo or tag or whatever you call it. It doesn't have it. One of the reasons why my nails lasted this long is because after I had the nails on for the first week, because I'm a mom, I'm a busy mom, so for the first week I had the nails on. I usually like my nails medium to short because I've got kids that I give a bath and all of that. I would use these gloves. I picked this up from Costco, like the gloves. I use the medium size. I wore this for a week if I have to do the dishes or give my kids a bath or anything that would make me my hand in water for more than 10 minutes. I would use my gloves. And after the first week of doing that, I stopped using the gloves. I just went about doing my business. Recently I decided to try it and I got this one, and since then this nails has lasted me for a long time. I took a picture on the second day that I had the nails, which was in September. Today is October the 19th. I don't know if you can. Today is October the 19th. This is the picture, and the details of that I cannot zoom it, but I will show you guys anyway. I will just screenshot it. Okay. You guys, it's been 3 weeks since I've had these nails on. 3 weeks and a day. So what I forgot to mention to you guys is after 2 weeks, if I find that one of the nails is becoming like shaky, but it wasn't this shaky, I would just use my kids glue, put it in there, let it stay on for a few seconds, and then I would just like a hard push and the nail would just stay in place, which it was just this finger. The rest of my fingers were okay. So this is my hand, and I'm gonna use this to push on my cuticle like so. Not hard. I already did this. By the way, I just washed my hands, and as you can see, it did not damage my nail. Just fell off my nails like so. I like to go in with the Kiss glue first. I know it sounds weird, but this is what has made my nails last longer. Just a little bit. I'm gonna push the glue in, and I will just do that and try to make sure that the nail is properly fixed, like making sure that the nail sits well on my actual finger. I would just use this, and on this you see this side, just to make sure that the glue gets in on the corners. You put the glue. You could skip this step. Honestly, you don't have to use the glue, but this is just how I've been doing this lately, and I find that this has really helped me. This is my style. It's just my style. And I'll just let that sit for a few seconds because I don't want to just put the nail straight on. Let it stay for a few seconds. When I find that it's getting dried, then I would go in with the actual nail. Put it here. And I would just stick it like so. I'm gonna be going with a base top coat. I just had to use the top coat because that would make more sense, because after like pushing on the nail, it would have taken off the shiny look of the nail, so I had to use that to bring it back, and it does look pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know if you use the Impress nails. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.